Nasaan yung kanya? Yung center cut. So guys, you need to press. So this is the setup. So it was like this, correct? Correct. You need to press this side in order to remove, which is presenting here. Okay. Okay. And after removing the bolt, there's a small bolt here, 10 mm. So it was like this. After removing the cap, you need to remove the 10 mm. Before you detach, there's a connection. This is connection for camera. After that, there's a special key, which is on the bag. On the bag, because this is different shape. Okay, different shape. It's same with three of them. So we'll use this extension. So this is the connection for the camera that you need to remove also. Okay, 3 bolts. The main frame for the camera. Okay, this is the wire connection. You need to remove also. And the 10 mm bolt, it's in here. Okay.